I didn't put them back, and the other one I just planted them in here, so I didn't put it back. So this is the front. This is some plants that I have here that I bought at Home Depot. This is I call it the Corona de Cristo. And this one here, this is oregano. I cook with this. This is very good. And this is my potos. I have to bring you guys a video because I have to put new soil and stuff like that, because I don't see that they are healthy. So I have to put soil. This one, I cut her hair, so it's coming up. It's growing. I don't know her name. So little by little. This one here, she's a cactus. And this is the other cactus that I planted. So let me go ahead and walk you this way. This is the other plants that I have. This is beautiful. This one, I don't know her name, but she's doing real good. And this one too. This one, I just bought it. I just add this one to my collection. This is the money tree. And remember, this sitting area that I didn't complete it because I needed the table that I found it. It cost me $10. And the rug. This rug, I got it inside of my house, so I put it outside. And I put a new one inside the house. So this is the new area. And I love it. Love it, love it how it came out. Go ahead and check my video of how I did this layout, the cement. So this is the final result of this sitting area. And I add the carpet and I add the table. On this side over here, I have a lot of plants that I planted. There's plants here and they're doing real good. I hang those two plants there. I haven't done nothing with the fountain, the water fountain. I have to do something. I don't know what I'm gonna give from Mother's Day from my son. So this is an end table. I love this area here. It's so peaceful. And over here, this is the plant that I took from the other side. She's doing much better. You know, I have them there and she was getting burned. And look now that she's in a shape. Look how it's growing. So she's gonna thank me for that. This one, she's doing real good. I still have to pot and do a lot of stuff. So I put this here as well, just the cactus. Enjoy the little things in life. So this is this area. And this is the ones that I planted under the tree. And I did this all by myself. Also, I put this bench, cement bench here. I have to paint them. I don't want to leave them like this. Let me give you a view from this angle right here. And this is the other angle from the entrance of the house. This is very peaceful. You can hear. It's very relaxing. This guy here, this is the peace lily. I have them there, but I have removed them because they was getting burned by the sun as well. So I have these two bench here, which this area I haven't completed it yet. I'm gonna try to, I hang that one up there and this one. So I just gonna try to extend the cement here, and I'm trying to do like a eating area or something, so when I'm ready to drink coffee in the morning or something, because this area is so peaceful here. I believe this area here can be in a magazine. I laugh out loud. Everybody thinks their area, they can be in a magazine because you put so much effort and love into whatever you do to make your house look and feel more welcoming for you, for your own good. So, but I'm gonna try to remove these plants here and make it bigger, just to put a eating or sitting area. These plants here, I have to plant them. I bought a lot of them and they still there. I haven't had the chance to do it. So if we walk this way, this area here, I just put some rocks, and then over here, these plants here, they're doing very good, and they are very happy here. They haven't died. They're doing good. And I'm sorry, but I have to put this sign up because people used to leave their dogs, and the dogs used to come to my house, and every time I used to get up, I used to step on dog doodle. And for me, that's not fair. I love animals, I love dogs, but you know, they don't know better. It's the owner they're supposed to, you know, pick up after them. So this is the front of my house. And I put those rocks there. I put rocks here. I put a solar light, so when the light hit it, at nighttime it looks so nice with the lights on. I haven't cleaned it. I do that on Mondays. So this is the way it looks, and I'm gonna take you right now to the ones that I planted here. They are doing real good as well. Look at this lipstick plants. That's how I call them, lipstick. And they are doing wonderful, beautiful. Look at this one. This one is another dessert plant that I have to transfer her to a pot or something. This one died. They die. I don't know why, but it dies. And I'm gonna take you now to the one that I plant under the tree. So that's the one. Okay. Hey, how are you? Good. This one is the one that I planted under the tree. And they are blooming. And this one is the ones that I planted like the fence. And right here, this area, I have to put some rocks and stuff like that. But this one is the one that I planted my roses. And they are doing real good because they receive sun all the time. So they are doing fantastic. This area here is a working process right now because this one is going to be the angel sitting area. And I'm going to give you a quick pic And this is the succulents that I bought that I need to plant them. But this is a quick pick. That's it. I cannot show you no more. But I'm going to show you this area. I have to take those two out of there because I don't want them to die. And this is the other area that I did with the cement and stuff like that. And I really are working on this grass as well because it's very kind of like dry, but I'm working on this too. This side over here, I just put those two chairs just to sit down, but I'm gonna remove them from here. It's not gonna stay like that. I just like to sit over here sometimes. And this is what I have to kill the weed. So, and this is the cactus that I have here.